Hey y'all, in this video I am making a side dish for Thanksgiving that is called pea salad. Now hear me out. Tommy and I both hate peas, but when you mix the right ingredients in with peas, you kind of forget that they're peas. So this calls for peas, either frozen or canned, just the what we know as the mushy green peas, mayonnaise, a red onion, or some people call it a purple onion, and some cheddar cheese. So let me show you how to make it. So I'm using a 12-ounce bag of frozen peas, and like I said, you can use canned peas if you want. Just dump them in there. I'm making this for tomorrow, so I don't care that they're still frozen. If you're making it right before Thanksgiving dinner, then you would want to, of course, thaw them out because no one wants to be biting into little frozen BBs. So the first thing I'm going to do, other than putting the peas in the bowl, is cut up my onion. Get these outer layers off. And this was a really big red onion, so I'm probably just going to use half of it. Don't want it to be overly oniony. Just going to dice up your onion. I've been eating this since I was a child. My mother's been making this for years. I've got a pregnant daughter and she asked for some, so I made sure to get the ingredients for it. So just make sure there's no big chunks. You don't want any big chunks. Might have a bigger knife than I have. And then once it's all diced up, you're going to want to put it in with the peas. Bring that bowl back over here. Put that in with the peas. Alright, so next I'm going to cut this big block of cheddar cheese in half. Let's see what size this was. This is a 1 pound block of medium cheddar Kroger cheese. If you like a lot of cheese, you can use the whole block. We're just going to dice the cheese up. I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me do the whole thing. So you want little pieces about the size of a dime. You don't want huge chunks in there. So about that size. Put that in the bowl. I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting up all of my cheddar. And I'll be back in a minute. Okay, let's get all that into the bowl. Like I said, if you want to add the whole block, go ahead. Get all this junk out of my way. Now we're going to add the mayonnaise. I cannot tell you how much I use because I don't measure, but you want enough to cover all of the ingredients. So add some in there and then start to stir it up. I don't even like mayonnaise, but I eat it in this. One of the only things that I eat it in. I take that back. I eat it in a couple of other things, but as on sandwiches and stuff, I won't touch mayonnaise. I'm a mustard girl myself. But once you mix all of these ingredients together, it has a pleasant flavor. I'm going to add some salt. And some pepper. ahead and finish stirring it. Now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator to chill, and it'll be ready for tomorrow. In this case, because we're traveling, I do need to get it put into a pan that I don't mind leaving behind at the farm. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in here. Now I know some people do put hard-boiled eggs in theirs, but I do not. I'm not the biggest fan of hard-boiled eggs. I'll eat them, and I like deviled eggs. It's just I don't want eggs in everything that I bring to the table. There you go. Another very easy to make side dish for Thanksgiving. You either love it or you hate it. And in this case, we happen to love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try if you never have. I'm going to move on to making my next recipe, which is a twice baked potato casserole. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.